What's up, everybody? We're out here doing a little early morning fishing. You can see in the background we got Mr. Billy and a lot of fog on the water this morning.
Really foggy.
It's cold. It's in the like high 40s. I almost said late 40s. I'm in my late 40s. Yeah, so we're gonna try to catch some fish, and we want you to watch us do it. So yeah, let's go.
Do I want to buzz bait it? What do I want to do? I guess I can throw a buzz bait. I might throw a spook.
Oh, what? I got a bite already?
Did you really?
I don't know. I had something hit me.
I need that lighter you had. This was like out or something.
Oh, was that something? Was that something right there? Oh no. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, please be a bass.
I got it.
Yeah. Oh, it's a dolphin?
It's a dolphin.
Did you hear? Nice, dude. Wait. Heck yeah.
Yeah. On the jig, baby. Gotta love it.
Heck yeah.
Lowcountry slam all day.
Alright.
We'll do a release.
Hell yeah. What is it, about 2 pounds maybe? A pound and a half, 2 pounds?
Yeah, see you later, buddy. All right. That's how we do it, man. Lowcountry slam.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, we've had, what, a total of, you had 2 bites.
3.
3 bites?
Yeah, had that one.
I got one.
Ooh.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Coming up. Nice.
Hell yeah, dude.
Nice.
Heck yeah.
That's another good bass.
Decent. I might have to put a jig on pretty soon here.
Up there. There he is, right there. Got him.
Nice.
Got him. Another bass.
Got him? Yeah.
Gosh, they're nice sizes today.
I haven't even got a bite over here.
Number 3. That's a scoreable bass. I'll take him. He ain't
Probably,
very big,
yeah.
but
Counts.
you know.
Counts it, right?
You're using a fluky fluke. I'm gonna try the Randy Blackard, whatever.
Oh, I got one.
Yeah. Oh, nice, Brian.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Scoreable pop, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't
What's
care.
that?
I said he might be scoreable.
Might be scoreable.
I don't know. It's a fishy.
Fluke.
God, look at the tongue on this thing. Look at his tongue.
Oh yeah, it's a little weird looking.
Look at that. What is up with your tongue, bro? Let's see. He's probably 11 inches. Oh no, there goes my rod. All right, I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh.
Got him? Yeah, there he is. Oh, I thought it was a pickerel.
I did too. The way that
Long.
skinny
Look at
little
that, long,
bastard
skinny.
did.
Good bass, Brian.
Take it. That's 2. I'll take it. Take them all day. It might be longer than the other one. I don't know. Let's see. He's like 10 and a half. Dark, pretty fish.
Nice.
I pulled it through, not knowing, you know.
Should we turn around right here?
Yeah, we should be able to turn around. After this one cast.
Because we have been catching fish.
Yeah, literally.
Not that
Oh, that's a spot right there, dude. Oh, I didn't even get near it. But look at that. Look at that juiciness. That's a funny.
That would be great.
That'd be a funny short right there. Oh, that was pretty sick. Brian said, "Oh, there's a bus on the top. Do you see that?" Oh yeah. Hang on to him. Hang on to him.
He ain't very big. Little one.
Oh. You got
Yeah, I
one!
saw the buzzbait. Look at that.
Freaking!
On the fill limit buzzbait.
Yeah, dude.
Looky there. Fill limit, baby.
All right. I haven't had a bite in a while. Oh. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Saw that.
Dang it. All right. Oh. Oh, that was a fish. Damn it. I thought I was caught on something. Damn, that was a redfish.
Oh, look at the butterfly. That'd have been so sick if the butterfly went in. Lowcountry slam, baby. That's how we do it. There he goes. Gotta love it.